My country people, I greet you now. And they welcome for Transfer Talk with Akbos. And we get one very Ogbonge personality when be like saying now Ogbonge person and also football lover and not be saying just stop at being football lover. Himself now Ogbonge football coach. We get Coach Obi we be like say now coach with the Mullinga Athletic Football Club for inside Obodo Yibo country where they call Ireland. Coach Obi, firstly, welcome for this show where we go talk about one or two things we concern football. But I want first start to congratulate you on your UEFA coaching license. Where be like say you don't get join all the Ogbonge certificates when be like say you get for inside this football lifestyle. Coach, congratulations first on your UEFA license.
Yeah,
And you
thank
know
you. Thank you. Thank you, my brother.
yeah, coach. We know say football matter many topic plenty, but on today's transfer talk, the topic where we want focus that one player will be like say him currently they make way for inside this transfer window because we did January when the winter transfer window door open and in him now Mykhalio Mudryk, one player will be like say young player and also with the fact say you coach will be you don't work for Shakhtar before with their regional academy and you get insight because I don't see this matter. Say many people they talk about how they see them, but I say who go bring come on this show will be like say go help us dissect this matter from the inside angle. And God do I'm say we get one-on-one contact with you, Coach Obi, and definitely before now you don't join us to come drop your Ogbonge contribution for different football topic. But this one, Coach Obi, this one I will call him your player because on this
Yeah,
interview now, safe now Shakhtar the next shirt that you even the wear. So, coach,
Naim.
what do you get to tell us about this your player now? Because we don't hear different transfer fees, different clubs for Europe then link to this player. Tell us about this guy, Mykhalio Mudryk. Wait till you get to talk about this player first, coach.
I dey greet you, my people.
Hmm.
See, Mykhailo, I been see am first. That was 2018 to 2019. Where you see there on the 19, with the 19
Hmm.
team. But we dey go the men academy sometimes. We dey go do
Hmm.
some courses and some interaction with the coaches, and they see how they play, how they coach, and how they handle the men academy team. So,
Hmm.
and you go see, when you go dey look, then if you dey look, when you dey look players, how they play, you go see e get some wey be say their eye dey red as we dey talk am.
Hmm.
Wey be say the mentality for their head na be say that is they know the fear. E be like say they dey young, but they dey there. E be like say they know wetin they want do already. They know wetin they want, and they sabi how they want do am. Mykhalio na so e be. Na so
Hmm.
e be. And the person wey be say know the fear, say make he carry this ball, make I go front, make I go forward, make I go do wetin I suppose do.
Hmm.
And it no be by chance when we say that coach that time when we dey go there, the coach where Fonseca, Paulo Fonseca.
Hmm.
Now him we see him say this boy, now him first give him his first breakthrough, just bring him into the team. He can't play one match like that, just 9 minutes as they do. They bring young
Hmm.
players up like that because everybody sees say this boy they talented. For that the under 20 team, under 19 team, yeah, but maybe three of them where they try, but the highly if you see him, you go no say yes, say this boy, he
So,
get
Sabi.
something where he get. He get something where he get. So
Hmm.
that's why he played. Then the other season, so the new coach comes small, he tried. Then later when Roberto Di Zerbi come, when he comes here,
Hmm.
one meeting where we did with them, we dey talk about players, how you go the sport players where they hungry, where it say I they in talk him say this boy, say now one of the boys where he say yeah, say in future they bright. And him go make sure say him raise this boy, make this boy, make the world see him, make it come first team,
Everybody
come
see
try.
him.
Yeah, say
Hmm.
if he no do now they say he himself go dey disappointed when be coach. If he no give
Hmm.
this boy that platform, say make it come up. And that's why he do am. That's why he help the boy. That's why he come out. That's why Mudryk begin play. And if they play, he go come down. And make one understand one thing about Shakhtar, the team. Shakhtar
Yes.
get one project. The main project they say they go like Brazil in particular. They
Hmm.
go bring young players. Maybe they're 18, 19, 20, very young, 18, 17, like that. They go bring them. Then they go put them for the under 23 team,
Hmm.
raise their games more. Then before you know them, they don't enter. The ones where they very, very good. they go first team immediately. So Shakhtar, they build the team all around these Brazilian players. That's why they are the most successful team in Eastern Europe, not be by chance. So, and Brazilians come plenty for the team. And if you get some Ukrainians too, where they there, where they fit make the first team. But you see, say, it go the day hard for Ukrainians, like they come into the team. They play every time, say they go the first 11. But any Ukrainian where you see, say he did that first 11, I be say that boy try well. Let me say try well.
So
what they do?
If I get you correctly, coach, what thing you they talk now? Be say for Mykhalio Mudryk to break enter that first team, no be by mistake. Now fact say the player sabi.
He sabi. No be by praying and fasting. He play for leg. He play him. And he enter. They give him chance. They come in small. Now they come in. Even if they shake him with the Brazilians, where they play there. They play for left, So he come gel well for the team, with the way they hungry, way he want play, and how technical way he did. So now he enter the team. If they play, they go, they mix with the Brazilians. And as the war now come scatter Ukraine, all the foreign players, all the Brazil, all of them come out practically all of them. So it come make the Ukrainians now come feel the team. So Shakhtar come they buy the people waiting there for the academy where they good, they raise them to the first team. The ones when they play every time when the Brazilians they to begin they play. They also buy a few players like that where they good. So now this time now Mudryk and I become full-time first-time player where they say hey, they play every time. And that time where they say come they begin show waiting there for them. So no be by chance. No be by chance, no be luck. The boy they work hard. They work hard. They rest and they fear. They talk too much, but they fear. They confident. For an age, they confident and they fear. When I want to wait there, they work hard. Now they tell all our young players, make sure they work hard. If you they work hard, you go the thing where you go to do, the thing where they do, you go that's so the people go see you. A better club go see you. Yeah, you go get leg, you get connection, but make it work hard. Now, one thing where Mudryk teach people.
True talk, because coach, even myself, when the name come out, because I don't watch out for Champions League and all, so I can't still go do my own research about the player also. Like this hard work thing where you're talking about. I still see when him be break enter during Fonseca time, they say him no get the right attitude. No be saying no get talent and potential, but they still say no get the right attitude. So, but when Roberto De Zerbi come, be like Roberto De Zerbi still call him outside, say, young lad, your attitude towards the game will change. You need to be more professional. You need to work hard. And him immediately begin do all those things. It can be like, say, him lights can they shine more. So, but coach, personally, I don't see the player play for Champions League. I don't watch different clips. But I know, say, it get things when you as somebody who don't work as a coach for the Shakhtar setup, again things one I don't see for training, close one-on-one. You understand? Tell us about Mykhalio Mudryk playing style and his strength then when we would look out for as football fans, as football lovers. Potentially also if he make a move to one of the top European teams, probably come the Premier League. What do you think the people need to expect on this player in terms of his playing style and his strengths?
Like I thought before, playing style, this kind of player will be say it's a bit wrong. He dey run well. And as we talk and say player they explosive. Will be say ball don't enter in leg now. If defender, if you know watch it before you even know say ball don't enter in leg, that's so you don't pick race. And if you chase him, say may you stop him, in don't dribble, you dribble the next person. Then if you do that pass where they say somebody if he takes score, or in fit go himself. He go fit dribble first person, second person, third person, he go score. If he no score, he go give on the person where he go score. If they do good at this assist. Now, person where they think. See, where would they tell players every time? Well, they ask players every time. And they tell them, say, guys, no be leg. Leg no be the most important thing for football. Where they take play football. Now your head first.
Your brain.
Now you are brain. Then your brain go they give your leg the instruction what you supposed to do, how you go play and how you go do it. So no big gra. No big gra. Now your brain. So another brain where you get and say he no dey fear. No, and that one where be say he go get ball. Where you get ball, he no fear say una dey 3-4 defenders there. He go go. He go go. You go find way pass. You go find way, cross on or pass or give am to a person. So, like I talk, na very intelligent player, and he dey strong. He dey strong. He no dey fear. In right leg, dey hammer way be. Though he dey play more of for the left attack way they dey. So, and another kind of person will be say if he no score, he go help una score. If defender chase him too much, he go give other people where go take score.
Assist.
So assist. He go good make he go another team, because as Shakhtar dey now as the league no come strong as it did before. Because many foreigners wey dey the league where they make up, so many of them don't come out. Yeah, and I believe say it don't reach time make Mykhalio make he also go another team. So
true.
Na player where I go tell una say na player where they strong. Na player where we say he no go disappoint. Na player where we say don't learn hard work. Now the team way, now the strong part, now be this one. Me, I no fear. I don't see many Ukrainians now where they even in that academy or in Shakhtar or in Ukraine in general. Now very few players where I go come out like this. I say I beg, me gonna take this guy. So I know the fear, make you go play. That's what
So Mudryk there among the players where you go come out for hand. Say this one, if he go anywhere, he must represent Shakhtar well.
As of today, 90 number one. For Ukraine in general, 90 number one. Where be say I go close eye, say make una take, say make una no worry, say go do what he's supposed to. Na Mudryk. And if you see saying just they young, yesterday now he just be 22. Just yesterday turned 22. She say he still they come, he still they in games still they come. In games still they come. He never played two, he never played plenty. I mean, League of Champions, how many don't play? Don't play 6 matches, score 3 goals, give assists. So no be by chance. No be by chance where the body play. So but waiting me, I dey worry. I go see if I talk the better one, I go talk the other side too.
Yeah.
Because make we no come raise expectations. Say you go come now, you go begin the score every day, you go begin the score. No. I beg, make una give him time. First, he's still day young. This is not the first time where they go out of Ukraine. And we get wahala where many Ukrainian players they get. Ukrainians, Russians, they find them hard small to adapt for another country. Yes, we no be for Eastern Europe. They find them hard small to adapt because mentality they different, lifestyle they different, and things like that. Culture, it affect them so much. That is just one thing. It affect them so much. But the ones where they very strong, they go cross them, and if they cross them, now they say that look, see Shevchenko now, see Zinchenko, for example. They overcome all those things, and when they overcome them, you go see say these players are no nonsense. Yarmolenko tried too. You have Malinovsky also in Atlanta. So now so Ukrainians they feel no plenty, but those ones will go break through. Oh boy, na commandos na they be. So now how in go adapt? Now me I dey worry. I hope make it adapt very very well. Number 2 now. Make people know they expect so much from him. Then he go come. Now he go still need time, make it adapt to the system and everything. Maybe if he no begin score now, or people go say, why we throw away money, buy this one and this one. So make pressure no come day too much for him head. Now young boy him be.
Because coach, that place where you go, so that place where I've been done, they won't go because the price tag. Now one thing where they cost many katakata currently. That price tag now, because we see what thing they happen. Arsenal first bid, Shakhtar reject. Arsenal second bid, Shakhtar never talk, say they won't accept and all. So, but we see the price fee, because one thing what we don't see for football now, we say once player command big transfer sign-on fee like that, the expectation from football fans, people like me and you, coach, too, we go see they expect say this player go come in and go hit the ground running immediately.
Yeah.
Now that one too, I believe say me, I see they look in that direction also. But I want to ask you, coach, with that price tag and him coming to the Premier League, you don't think say maybe, just maybe, if he go get small problem too, because you already touched that area also, so make people know the expectation. But me and you don't say once money big, expectation must be high. Because the
what.
way they look now, Shakhtar want something very big for Mudryk. So you don't think say that one will be one problem where Mudryk go get if he make this next move, because from the look of things now, the two clubs when they follow this matter and bumper to bumper now, Arsenal and I for front seat, Chelsea
Yeah,
come they join in the last few days. You know
yeah.
think say that one will be one small thing when go bring one potential small problem for this Mudryk matter.
It could be problem. Now the second problem what I want to talk about.
Mm,
If it be problem because like I talk say the first problem will be say adaptation. You go hard them small, just the
mm,
22, and that's mentality why they talk of and social life everything.
mm.
And now this expectation what we go dey put for am now say we buy you with plenty money like this. Now be say you go call you go begin scatter
You go
everywhere.
score go
That one,
plenty.
that one now wahala and na wahala also for young boy. If you say he don't reach 26 now, he don't play for Spain before, don't play for Italy now.
Mm,
Now one buy and come EPL. He don't feel pressure already. He don't play outside. So now in first adaptation now, and I think they come in, he go be problem. I just the play. I just the hope say he no go be problem. Where they say time go the people go say now this one when we buy like this. No be
mm.
because say no because say no fit, but because say the pressure don't dey too much and
Done
no
too
be
much.
sometimes young boys no they feel handle this pressure at all. Now the kind of pressure what we put on our most of our under 17 players for Nigeria where we reach say we no see them again.
No see
Now
them
that kind
again.
also. That one another topic for another day. But now this
Mm.
kind of pressure now no one make people put them on.
Make him
But
face.
unfortunately that pressure he go face and whether I like it or not.
Mm.
And EPL now league will be say that pressure go there. Whether
League
he
of
be coach,
pressure.
whether he be player, fans no care. You dey there, they expect say you go do better. Moreover, when they pay
Mm.
plenty money, for your hands. So now that one I dey fear well. So if they come, I go beg people, make una just give them time. Make una lower expectations immediately. Make una give them time. Make the boy just enter the system, get himself. Una go like the boy as they play. And me, I dey hope say make Arsenal buy him. Me.
Because
No be
coach, before you talk this one now, I be want to ask you. You
okay.
understand now why I strategically put up the two club jerseys for there. Say
Right.
which club you think say this player go fit develop? Because when I talk with coaches, when I talk with other football journalists, sometimes one thing when I don't learn over time and I don't see say the kind move where some players they make at a certain time in a career, they vital for their development. If that player go fit reach the way he's supposed to reach, because some players when they drop some certain step, they call the cause problem for them in terms of
Yeah.
that growth when they're supposed to go step by step. So, coach, you don't talk about say you the pray make Arsenal buy him. I beg tell country people why you talk like that, because even before now we don't see the player social media in the post where they watch Arsenal games. Even when Arsenal play and Brighton too, he also talk about the two managers. Say the coach from Brighton will be former coach Roberto
Yeah.
Di Zerbi, now a great coach, and the coach for
Yeah.
Arsenal, Mikel Arteta, and a great coach. Why you
Yeah.
talk say you did hope make Arsenal sign now, coach?
Arsenal na team where we know say they sabi how to grow young players.
Mm,
That one for the whole EPL, I think say na the number one club. That's what I think.
mm,
And they go help them. I believe say they go help them. They sabi how to help young people where they go, move, whether from the academy, entertainment team, and then before they, and begin play very, very well. So, and as in they young, that Arsenal system go help them well.
mm,
It go help them well. And the style of play what Arsenal they play, the attacking style where they play, the setup and formation, it go match them well. It go match them well. That's why they see them. Uh, and if you look at as it dey happen now, players wey Arsenal get, whether na their speed or the way they play, the way I see Mudryk, na that
na
team,
that kind
na that
pattern
kind
now you
team,
dey see
that
from
kind
now.
pattern, na him go sweet am. And na that kind attacking, free flowing game, na him Shakhtar dey play too.
Mm.
So he no go hard am make e flow into that kind pattern, into that kind system. So now, so I don't look am technically, tactically
Look the
everywhere.
two
Look at
teams.
look at him very well. His kind of style, his kind of play, how those two teams they play, all those things where they look for him. Arsenal are the place where go good for him. And he too want go Arsenal. He like Arsenal as you talk him. He like Arsenal plenty. But I just hope maybe say that money make reach agreement somehow.
Reach
And
agreement
make it
on
make it
settle
make
am.
it make it go there. Make the settle am.
Okay, coach. One last question because this interview before I be the thing say maybe no go long reach like this, but
Okay.
all the things what we dey touch now, ogbonge topics, soft topics under inside this Mudryk topic. I will ask you one last question, coach, before we go wrap up this one-on-one interview with you. Again, with your former coach, also former coach of Mykhalio Mudryk talk when in talks Roberto Di Zerbi when in talks say get the potential to win the Ballon d'Or. And I didn't look the coach like this coach that person when sabi the work technically, the work when he do for Shakhtar, they for everywhere for everybody to see. You understand? And me believes that when coaches talk like this, a lot of times nobody just carry talk. Nobody just make it for street people. Then they talk
Yeah.
based on what they don't see tactically and based on what they sabi. Now that not their work. Because to me, this journalism might be my work. I leave the tactics for our coach now, and I sabi that work. So that are waiting una don't see. You understand? So I want to ask you on that statement because you too don't see the player close up. What do you get to talk about this comment from Coach Roberto De Zerbi? You think so the player get the potential to actually win the Ballon d'Or one day?
No doubt. No doubt. The boy get the potential. And Naim I dey pray make it enter team where go help develop him, where he go play well, where the team go dey win trophies. And that time, that one, they help player grow too. They help profile of player make it grow to make it
Make
the
it
same
grow
field
up.
begin win. Yeah, we can also win such trophies. As per in potential, me, I no doubt. I get no doubt at all. Say this boy, if you win him any day. Understand? Now people will be say he go come up by God's grace, if you dey count the Mbappes, then when I go begin they count the Mudryk. So me, I no get any doubt. Deserve this year. Even make I tell you one thing. The day where Deserve arrived Shakhtar, he was one of the first. I mean, the boy they the academy. Deserve arrived, say men join Menti. Was one of the first players where he call for phone. The boy still they feed that team. He call him.
Feed that team then.
Yes, he call him. Say, look, talk to him, encourage him, tell him, say, he go help him. Say, he say, he get the potential. But they come, now that's how he come, after we meet him, now he can't give him all those advice. Say, make you carry the right attitude. You never sabi anything yet. You still get plenty to learn. Make you just cool down, put your head, reach ground. You go grow. The listing, they work hard. Make that hunger still there inside you. Say you go make them. So deserve you see what you know what you see for him. So me, I no get that doubt. Say this boy get this potential. Yeah, say one day, if it win Ballon d'Or. Yeah, no get. So I just pray, make the road way in the waka, make it waka well. Make it meet the right clubs, right team, the right formation, everything, the help we need. No doubt. I'm sure say he go make up. No doubt at all. No doubt. So
all right, now, Coach Obi, thank you very much for your time. We appreciate as you give us your time to talk about this player, and also we appreciate all your time where you don't give us for different streams when we did do for Instagram. We appreciate them and country people. The way on go fit follow Coach Obi for Instagram and other social media, good day for inside the description for inside this video. Mona, don't forget to show Coach Obi love. Na Ogbonge person, na Ogbonge football lover, and Ogbonge coach. Coach Obi, we appreciate you and we wish you more success for everything where you're going to do for life inside football and outside football. We appreciate you. God bless you, Coach Obi.
thank you. Okay. Thank you.